Yeah, sorry. Yeah, hello everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of live session once again. So yesterday I was unable to make a session, so I was not available. Sorry, actually. So today, yeah, what happened day before yesterday, I will tell you guys about that thing just in a while, hopefully. Meanwhile, let me just set up my screen so on YouTube, so you guys can just check the latest updates. Uh, uh, okay. So yes, we are live. I hope people can see me in a better way, hopefully. Uh, yeah, there is a good chance to take the position, and that's what I was just waiting for the right time to open a position. And before we start our today's live session, let me just tell you guys this live session is just for information and entertainment purposes. Don't follow my trades. Do your own research while performing any trade. And moreover, yeah, things are market. Let's talk about the market first. So, what's BTC? BTC so today is Saturday, 24th of January, and market is is on moving on extreme fair side for now, and market cap has just increased a little bit, but 3.11 trillion, which is like a good sign for because it went to like 3 point something like 3.0 to somewhere around there like day before yesterday, which was not a good sign for the market. And yeah, 24 hours were all right. Meanwhile, like, so BTC is just hovering around below $90,000. So it's kind of consolidating at this rate right now. So what we will do is we will just check like when it dropped up, like it roughly dropped like 6.5 percent throughout the week. That was a rough week for the BTC, and yeah, but still Ethereum is hovering around $2,900, 2,950 somewhere around there, and as well as Sol is also $127. Sol is a good thing. Sol is a good project. Uh, we should do a little bit research on that. I will show you a screen later on when I will try to perform a live trade. So market cap is 3.11 trillion, which is a good thing. And Bitcoin dominance, we cannot let's not forget about that. So Bitcoin dominance is 57%, still above 50%. So yeah, yeah, that's all for today. And I think BTC there was a US trade policy is just moving the market right now. So tension around President Trump is like also affects the market. And so yeah, Trump's recent tariff announcement just gave a little bit panic in the market. So risk of kind thing actually. And um, yeah, yeah, there are reports of massive like layoff at Amazon, which it's a tech giant, and investors are nervous about that. So I must say, like, we should be very careful while taking any kind of trade. So market is kind of like sideways moving right now. So I think we should just take the entry just very carefully. But as you guys know, we just do short-term scalping. So we scalp every day. We just close our trades every day and just take our share from the market and stays away from the market. So okay, let's go to the screen. So I will just try to get a trade today once again. Before I get any trade, I will show you the results of my previous trade as well. So yes. Okay, let me show you my screen. flip the camera. Okay, so I am actually not at my home right now. I am somewhere else, at a holiday home kind of thing. So yeah, things are pretty, because it's holiday. Everybody should enjoy their weekends. Just was unable to come online yesterday, so that's why I just came online today to perform the trades once again. Okay, all right. So yes, let's talk about this pair, the pair what we were trading before earlier, which was like in a very good control. And there is a good chance for this pair. Let's talk about the 5 minute candle. Yeah, there are good chances to open a position, which I will do that. Uh, Before I open any kind of position, I will show you the previous day results trading history of mine. A day before yesterday, we just opened like 4, 5 positions, and all of them were I have just closed all of them in profit. So that these were this is my live account. You guys can see. So this is the result of like on 22nd of January. Starts from, yeah, here. So these are the positions I have just closed the long position with 27%, 25%, $25, 19%, $40, 13%, $43. So these 4 positions, I have shared the results of these trades uh, in my WhatsApp channel as well. So you guys can follow me on my WhatsApp channel as well. Okay. So what I will do is today again, I will open a long position from here. Um, why I'm doing this? Because these coins are just hovering around to the break even. So it's kind of like having just grabbing in the opportunity can it can be. But this hour is a critical hour for, because market is consolidating. Let's talk about BTC first. Uh, okay, let's talk about BTC first, then we can talk about the other pairs. So yeah, see, 89,500 somewhere around there. That's the 5 minute candle frame. That's the 15 minute candle frame. That's 1 hour candle frame. So today's high was $91,000 and lowest was 88,500. So kind of like consolidating the market right now. But big things are there in the market, and that's what we are scared of. Um, so what we're gonna do is we are going to take a chance in what pair? I will try to open multiple positions again today, but with very careful, having a look on the market trends. This is 5 minute, this is 1 hour time frame. So if we see the 1 hour time frame, the 15 minute time frame, it's totally bearish momentum right now. So taking a chance from here can be risky. Opening the Hello, good morning, brother. How are you doing? Good. Yeah, sorry, I was unable to come online yesterday, so I was free, kind of free today. So I thought let's complete the session today again. And I will show you the results of my day, previous day trades as well. I think you were in the live session in the previous day, a day before yesterday, on 22nd of January, hopefully. So my 3 trades were open when I just closed the live session. So things went well. I closed all of my trades. Actually, I have just shared the results of that trade. Yeah, you're almost every day here. Yeah. So all of my trades went well actually. So I did not perform any trade yesterday. I was not available actually. So yeah, so today, uh, thank you, Mani brother, for following me as well. Thank you, A116, for following me as well. Okay. So yeah, uh, what I will do is see, I will try to grab the momentum again once again. So let's see the pair, but before this pair, I would love to open. Oh yeah, I was just curious to see but not from here, I think. Taking a chance for the long position from here can be an option. Thank you, Shahab Afridi, sorry, for following. Um, so today market, if you guys have seen the market is like is kind of moving sideways for now because the holidays are here. So 2 days weekend is like very slow sometimes. But let's uh, wait for the Trump to speak up about anything. So before he wakes up, so we will try to close all of our positions. So I hope things will go well. Thank you so much for your likes and your love. Uh, thank you. Okay, great. Uh, I'm also from Pakistan, but I'm living in Thailand since last more than 4 years now. So I have a big audience of like from all over the world. So that's why, brother, I'm just speaking English. One of our forward just asked me to speak Urdu. I would love to speak Urdu, but there is a big audience. I have good few followers from all of the world which cannot speak Urdu. So I hope everybody can understand now. Okay, it's nice to hear that. Yeah, thank you so much. So, Shahab, brother, you also doing like trading stuff, or what do you do? Okay, so I will try to grab the momentum again. How would I do that? I will let you know, but without confirmation, I will not open any position. See, RSA is in a good favor for the short-term scalping. It's below the benchmark, which is needed to open the long position. But if we see the trend, the momentum right now, it seems like it's bearish for this specific period of time. But hopefully, we will try to grab. Of course, the momentum will shift at some point, and we will try to grab that momentum. I want this candle to be closed above the bottom of this candle. If this candle closes above this candle, then in the next candle we can take a chance to open the long position. But if yeah, but no, there is no chance to open long position for now. Let me just zoom it a little bit. Okay. Yeah, this is not the confirmation. I just want to open the position long actually. This can give me. Okay, meanwhile, let's see this pair as well. Okay, yeah, this one has just gone up a little bit. Okay. Um, H is also risky to trade for now. It's a good coin actually. We can take a chance, not from here actually. We need to wait for some time, I think so. Truth is also on the move, but yes. Um, Momentum can be shifted from here, but we can take a chance. But this is 5 minute time frame. I will just wait for the right time to catch the momentum in this trade, hopefully. And if things goes well, so sorry, let me just check my okay. Uh Thank you, Peter, for following me. Thank you. It's an honor. Uh okay. Um we will try to grab the momentum and put my stop loss just near to my break even. Try to move my stop loss when the market moves according to the trend, which we just did like in the day before yesterday and a day before yesterday's before day, a day before 2 days more. So things were just looking nice. So all of my trades went well. What do you trade on? Peter, actually, I'm just trading like on meme coins mostly. These kind of coins like this is truth. Uh, Moreover, majorly for now, from last few days, I'm just trading like 5, 6, 7 coins. Majorly H truth, ARKM, Aster, Bonk, H bar. I have just opened one position in this one. So mainly meme coins and just trying to grab the momentum and do short-term scalping, not the swing trade, not the intraday trades, not the long-term trades. Try to grab a little bit small profit every day and stays away from the market. That's what I do. So I think all of my live sessions have been uh, a good. I have gained the good results in all of my trades, and I have shared all of my live trades results in my WhatsApp channel as well. If you guys want to join my WhatsApp channel, the link is in my bio. You can join me on my WhatsApp channel as well. Okay, and what's going on here? Okay, 15. Okay. So what we will do is we will just try to grab the momentum here. And how can we grab that? I will show you guys when I think my screen is has a little bit marks on that. I have should be my okay. Still it's over there. My cleaner is not with me right now, so I would not be able to clean it up. I hope you guys can see the charts. Okay, so that's what I do, and things are going very well. Hopefully, I will try to grab the momentum. I will show you how and where I will enter the trade. Bonk. Let's talk about this one, Aster. What is that? So it's kind of a sign of shifting the momentum, but for very short period of time. If we see the 15-minute time frame, yes. If the next 15-minute candle of this candle after this candle is closes above this the bottom of this candle and closes in green, then it's a clear indication of the momentum shift. That's what I always try to grab, and I have proved this strategy to all of you guys already. And that's what we need to do, just understand where the momentum is shifting. For the bigger time frame, it works very well. For the short time frames like 5 minute or 1 minute, it's kind of tricky thing. But for short for time frames, it's kind of like risky thing as well. So things sometime it's not always like what I say, but most of the time it works very well. Okay, what will we do is we will just try to catch. I just want to take the long position in this pair. I want this candle to be closed in green, and then I will try to open the long position in the very next candle, not in this candle. So for that, we need to wait for like few seconds. Hopefully, this is 5 minute time frame, and let's see if this candle closes. Thank you, Mo Ali brother, for following me as well. Thank you, brother. Uh, okay. Um, let's see how can we just take a position. I just need one confirmation. RSI is not in the favor. Uh, yes, I do live every day. Today, Saturday, mostly Saturday and Sunday, I do not come live, but I was unable to came live yesterday, so that's why I'm just live today. Most of the time, all of weekdays, I'm just live at this at the same time. Not the same time. After like from 3 hours from now. So if from which country you are, you can just uh, check your time as well. So I perform like almost 3 hours more, 3 hours, almost 3.5 hours, sometimes 4 hours every day almost. Thank you so much for following. No, no, I'm not in UK. I'm from Pakistan, but I'm living in Thailand, Bangkok. So since more than last 4 years, so I am just in Thailand. Yeah. So yeah. See, that's kind of confirm. This is kind of confirmation uh, of the momentum shift for a very short period of time. It does not work very well on the short period of time, but most of the time it works okay. We can just follow it. Uh, okay. I think you're a beginner. Okay. Yes, I'm. here you can ask me anything about like from where I need to how much do you understand the market, how much do you know, then I can just let you know more about that. From UK, I think there is a restriction for. I have just came to know like in UK there is a tax. The government is also involved, and they are just charging a very high tax on these kind of risk assets. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but you can just try to register your account with this exchange. If it works well, you can just link your bank account with that. You can do. I think there are multiple various ways of just putting your money in that. So. No, no, no. I don't do private classes. I just come online. I have actually, let me tell you my story. I have been doing crypto futures since more than 3 years now. 2 years was very bad. I was losing everything. So last year went very well, and I have just made a strategy and just discipline and just keep following that. So I came in a very good position. So that's why I just start. I was okay. I just plan. Let's guide some people who are losing their money and just want to learn how to do that. Very basic things. I don't have. I will not show you like complex charts. I will not draw any line. You will see in my you can see my previous live sessions as well. Uh, what's my biggest purchase with trading? Like what does it mean? Like what did I buy? My phone, my laptop, my car. You want to ask about this? I am planning to buy a apartment, but not yet. I have not reached that limit. My first priority is to buy an apartment. I have not bought anything for yet, but yet. Okay. I have no idea for yeah. Money is problem, of course. That's why we are here. We just want money, or everybody wants money. Money is problem. Money is everything. So yeah. Forex, if you have Forex, charts moves like same way. Uh, funded account. Sorry, I don't understand. Like what you're talking about. It's funded like. I have been like trading various coins, multiple coins. This one is Bonk USDT. I'm just waiting for the right time to open the position. Like you pay it on. Sorry, no, I have never done this. I don't know what are you talking about, but I have never done that. This is my personal account, and yeah, I have like different accounts on major platforms, but this one is also my personal account. Yeah, so. Um, that totally depends upon you. Like, how do you deal with your money? Uh, I have I have a backup in my bank account as well. What I'm dealing is, yeah, I understand. Okay, actually, I have never used like these kind of funded account already. So I have never like checked anything like that ever before. What I'm doing is just basic crypto futures on my personal accounts. I have never got any this kind of account. Yes, it's possible. If I will tell you my story, um, you will laugh and you will not believe it. But yes, you can grow it. But taking chances can. But uh, okay, so yeah, yeah, your personal account you should use. Like I don't know why you want to use per funded account. Like how can you just yeah? Thank you. Good. Uh, how can you like do the funded accounts? I just want to know about that. Can you just write me like the details of that? It's if it's good, we should give it a try. But we don't need. Actually, I have grown up my account in a very good shape. So even I just give few of my dollars to my friends. So, okay, they just want to do trading. So, but I have never used funded account. You can just let me know if there is this kind of thing. I have never been like into this ever. So majorly I was losing funding on special design for forex pairs. Okay, I have never done forex actually, so maybe it's not working for me. Yeah, yeah, Shah brother, I am telling you that I come live on every day, not on weekends, but today I just came online because I had a few time and I was unable to come online yesterday. I started my live sessions like almost more than a month. So I think the funded account, yeah, you're right. Maybe it will work on, but majorly I'm doing crypto. I have started doing like gold already, but I just lost $500 in a trade, and I did not go there because I was unable to, because gold is just acting like meme coin, so it's not the right time to trade in gold actually. That's what I think. USOR, okay, we can check USOR. It's not listed here. Futures. Okay. Uh, Let me tell you my story actually. Um, Crypto is 24 by 7. Crypto doesn't need time. So crypto, it's decentralized thing. So nobody controls it. So it's 24 by 7. You can trade any day, anytime, anywhere in the world. Uh, Let me tell you, brother, my story. If you guys are interested. I started crypto spot buying in 2017. My first buying was in 2017 when BTC was at the price of $8,000. I bought two BTC at that time. And I converted all of my BTC in like all meme kind of coins. I bought Ripple, I bought Cardano, I bought like Litecoin, Dash, Ethereum, multiple various coins, and the price went up to $22,000 at that time. My portfolio got a good gain, but I was not selling it because it was a new thing, so I was not selling it. And suddenly BTC's tried fall down to like up to 3,000. It the price went to like I think below $4,000 at that time. So my all of my portfolio was in spot. I was not aware of future. So I kept waiting for more than 3 years. Then yeah, brother, you can write the funded account details for Mr. MR Bedwar. Okay, so so I waited for the long time. Then I think in 2020 or 2021, the next bull run, I just closed all of my positions. That was not positions. I sold all of my spot assets, just a little bit above on my break even because I needed money at that time. So uh, okay. So later on, I was doing just spot buying, selling, but that was not, of course, it's not like worthy. But it's safe. It's kind of safe. Like you own that asset. If you until unless you're not yeah, 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 I'm just telling you. So until unless you're not selling it. So I started crypto futures like 3 years, more than 3 years back from now. I think 2020 22 in this 22 3 4 5 23, yeah, in start of January, I think January, February, somewhere around there. So one of my friends just guided me, bro, just leave spot, just try to do futures. So I just put $10 in spot. I just made $1 on top of that. That was like 10% gain of your on your capital. Okay, I was happy. Okay, I was making like $1. uh, I was trying to grow that account. So but because the greed, we are human, we are just doing greed. So I was over trading like at that time. I was trying to grab every kind of position. Like, okay, it's going up, let's buy. It's going down, let's sell. It's going up, let's buy. So, oh, okay. So yeah, that's what happened with me. So I lost $10, then I put $50. I thought, okay, no, I'm just running for like I just want big profit every day. So I put $50. Then I started it wiped out again in I think in a day or two. Then I put $100. No, I thought that I'm doing greed. I was just opening multiple positions. Then I was doing another mistake. I was doing DCA again and again and again. My position size got increased and my liquidity come nearby, so I got liquidated like just after putting my money. So 2 years of my life was very painful. I was losing money almost every day. So I went to, I think, negative somewhere around not more than $5,000. But I was thinking, okay, something is wrong. I know how to open position. I know where to close position. We can understand the market move as well. So then I decided, okay, we should set the target of the percentage of the capital gain. That's what I started working on, and I worked on that. And I actually we don't have uh, acceptance of the loss as well. Um, FTMO and the one best. Okay, I also want to learn about this thing. So now I have just made my discipline and accept 2% loss of my capital in a trade. Uh, or on the other hand, I just make 1%, try to make 1% of my capital every day, my because I have just grown up my capital a lot. So 1% is also good for me if I make it like in 15 days in a month. So it's good enough. Um, okay. Oh, okay. At the price of $22,000, somewhere around there, it was just like that. Okay. So prices were like crazy at the time. So that was the first bull run in 2017. And yeah. Thank you, friend, for following me. Uh, Not yet. I just come online. It's been like almost 30 minutes. I'm just trying to catch the momentum, just waiting for the right time to open the position. And the bonk, as well as just I missed this one actually. I wanted to open the position in this candle, but I just missed it. Okay, we will catch. Um, no, no, I'm not holding anything in spot. If you're asking me, I'm not. Silver, gold, they are just making all-time highs again and again. I don't want to trade. Yeah, they are just breaking all-time highs almost every day. So even if like they are just acting like meme coins. I am like nobody can understand. It's totally against the financial markets. I don't know what's just happening, what people are doing. I have seen a video like people in China, they are just selling silvers uh, uh, in the hard form on the roads, on the streets as well. Yeah, yeah, it's very risky. I opened actually short position. That's why I lost $500, just $500. So I just stepped back. I thought that's not the right time. Maybe we'll take someday, but not the right time right now. It's already on the all-time high. I think buying from here is also can be risky, and opening short position cannot we cannot just consider it for now. Yeah, yeah, I understand. I understand. It's I waiting for. Okay, so you open the short position actually from there. Mm, I trade mostly like this is my favorite coin. This is the pair. I have made tens of thousands of dollars in this one, HUSDT. I just grabbed the position. If you see the 10th October, the fall of BTC, the black day in the history of crypto, if you guys have seen that. So I made a good money in that day. So yeah, this pair is my favorite pair. So uh, I have made a very good profit in this one, HUSDT. It's just newly listed, not so much newly listed, but it's not on the lower side. It's not on the higher side. It's just hovering around in the middle way of its price. I don't know. Things that yeah, silver, gold, we cannot like judge for now. They are just making the histories every day, I must say. Okay, I think time to open the long, not yet. I just want to open a long position in this pair. It's on the lowest side. Getting support at this price. We can take a chance, but if it will fall down, then we will get stuck. It's not stable now. Actually, I took the entry. I actually the biggest profit I made when it was at 0.054, somewhere around there. Now it's 0.163. It's just hovering around to that price. And I opened a long position with 15x and with I think $300 at that time. And just one position was there, and it's not stable. It's very volatile coin. If you see the movement of that coin, just in one day, it was just shifting like thousands point, I must say. So that's that was the good. Actually, what my strategy is, majorly what I do is I just try to grab long positions only, mostly, but on those coins which are already on the lower side of their prices. So, okay, so this is the time to open the long position in this one. So I'm just going to open the, I don't want to miss this opportunity. Opening with market order. This is the candle I was in need of. Let's use $300 to open the, oh, I just missed the the start of this candle. Okay. I just tried to grab the momentum. I hope this will work well, but uh, let's see if I took the right trade or okay. So this is the my position right now. We will see the result of that. Let's put my TP at that's not that much high. Okay, that's achievable actually. Uh, just $40. Okay, maybe. Switch USDT basically it's kind of like it's a very volatile coin and there is no much volume. But I have made a good profit in that coin actually. So yeah. Okay, so this is the trade. I have just took the trade. I want this to go a little bit up so I can put my stop loss at my break-in. What my strategy is mostly I do is I try to open the position with maximum 1% of my my margin, my capital, and use another 1% if I need to do the DCA. So most of the time it works very well. And close that position if it goes to -2% of my portfolio. That's what I always do, and it happened with me like 5, 6 times, 7 times, maybe under 10, like not more than 10 times. But what I try to gain is 1%. Try to gain 1% every day because I open position with 1% of my capital. So making a 1% on top of that means 100% profit on that trade. So I try to open multiple positions. But if you have not bigger capital, you can take a chance to open maybe 5% of your capital, but don't open your position with bigger percentage of your capital. Just put the remainder thing. BTCs, many BTCs, I must say, it's like it's moving sideways. It totally depends upon on the Trump. I must say for now, what does he says? He's sleeping. He must be sleeping right now. When he wakes up, maybe he will say something. So before that, we can do scalping on that. But It was not expected the BTC to come below $90,000. We were expecting like it will go up to 100K mark for now, but my leverage is 20x on this one. Yeah, it's very confusing. That's what I just told you. Like it's very confusing for now. So I also feel very like we cannot judge it for now. The BTC, the crypto market is just moving according to speculations and the rumors in the market, I must say. Okay, I hope this trade will go well. Maybe it can come down a little bit, but momentum is shifting from here for that specific period of time. Maybe it can go to that my TP, hit my TP. Yeah, there are good chances. Maybe it will take a little bit more time. Yeah, it's very frustrating. You're quite right. It's very confusing, very frustrating, very like confusing right now. So things are like very uh out of control in BTC. If we see if these things work like according to the market or according to the trading, the way it's trading, the people putting money and trading, so it's not working that like that way. People are very scared of doing trading. You see, the market cap was increased when BTC crosses above the 95,000 mark. Market cap got to 3 point somewhere around 5 trillion, not 5, I think 4, somewhere around there. But one day Trump just wake up and tells that he's going to put the tariff on 10 8 European countries. At the same day, BTC falls below like 95,000. So that was also a big dip, more than 5% dip in a day in a BTC, which is not a good thing actually. So well, these things happen in the market. That's why we call it volatile market. What we need to do is we need to be very safe and play safe. Put your put the money you can afford to lose, I must say. I lost a lot. Now I have made a lot, and that's why I am making live sessions now. Uh, just make a discipline and keep following. Follow that. You are safe. I have seen people, they don't accept the losses. If the trade goes wrong, they have just kept it going. Okay, keep it going on. Keep it going on. Just accept it. Like set your loss target. What my is, I accept 2% of my capital in one day. Just accept the loss and don't do that trade on specific that day. If you're losing something, just close your markets and just stay away from that. So what we do is, and I have seen like people for swing trades, and because this is very volatile market, it works very well in short-term scalping. That's what I have learned in this market, and I am doing good. I'm doing good, very good in this market, and I must say, if I can do it, anybody can do it. So yeah, things are going good so far. I hope. Okay. So yes, let's hope for the best. Let's see if the momentum is right. I have just got it right. What should I do is I can put my stop loss at my break even. Uh, what did I do? I open it with just $300. Okay. Um, I don't know what should I do. Should I put my stop loss at my break even or just keep it continue for the mm, my TP is at the mark of 9059 somewhere around there. So that could be $40 in this trade using $300. Uh, Majorly, mostly like I take like three, four, five trades, not more than that. Uh, Sorry, pump broke. Let me check pump also. I just finished this stress testing. I'm from brother. I'm from Pakistan, but living in Thailand from more than 4 years now. Yeah, sorry, I just muted. My kid was here, so I was just talking with her. Sorry for that. Okay, so let me show you the results of my previous trades as well. Where is it? Okay, order history. I took like four trades day before yesterday. Yesterday I did not. I wasn't able to open any position. So these trades I closed like late night. The 22nd. These trades were of 22nd. So the all of my trades I closed in positive, and these trades were day before that day. All of my trades went well. All of my trades went well. So this is a 7 day. If you want to see more, then I can show you more. Okay. Uh, I hope this will work well. It would not hit my TP, my stop loss. Uh, okay. There was another pair. The guy talking about pump. Pump was the coin, or you were just talking about? Okay. 5 minute. One day. No, 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 I'm not worried. Sometimes actually, we just get confused. Most of the time, my stop loss hits, so that's why I was just talking. That's what I was just talking about. Well, let's see. I hope this will work well. That's 1 hour. That's 5 minute time frame. If you understand where to catch the momentum, let's say I would if let's say I would have opened like 50x trade and using like $100 or 200 or maybe the same margin, I could have make like maybe 50 $60 for now. But okay, that's good enough. RSA is overbought. Yeah, RSA is overbought on that time. On the 5 minute time frame, it's 75. It's overbought for now. Yeah, you can take a chance. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's right. That's right. I have seen people that they're running after dollars. I was running after dollars in the start of my career. That's why I was losing it. I was just one. Hello, brother. Thank you. I was also running after dollars. So I'm good. Thank you so much. How are you doing? Good. Prajwal. So if you run after dollars, then you're not gaining something. If you make the percentage, set your percentage of your capital. That's the major key. Nobody's telling. So people just want to show, okay, this is the dollars I'm just making every day. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Did you also took this trade? Brother, please don't follow my trades. If you lose something, you will just talk bad about me. I am just telling people don't follow the trades. I'm just showing my trades only. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Cloud Surface Raja brother, for following. Yeah. So I always ask people just be careful, guys, while taking the trades. I just don't want anybody lose any money. Just set your target and just try to gain the percentage of your capital instead of making dollars. BTC to move further. Uh, BTC is very unpredictable for now. It's weekend, and Trump might be sleeping right now. So for now, it's moving sideways, I must say. Uh, yeah. So yeah, that's what I always do. So uh, yeah, that's what I always tell people. It's not a financial advice to take the trade, from where to close, where to put your TP, where to put your stop loss. I'm not telling anybody. I'm just performing my trades in front of you guys. I tell you how did I catch the momentum. I just took the trade in this candle actually. That's a 5 minute time frame. Why did I do that? You can just see the momentum shift. So yeah, I have been using this since more than 1 year now. So it's good for me actually. It's linked with trading view, so I just don't want to experience another trade exchange for now. Okay, so here I can decide I can take the profit here for from now, or maybe I should wait for now. I think waiting would be the better option. Lbank is good exchange. I am using this since more than 1 year, so yeah, it's good for me, uh, at least. If you want to get yourself registered, there's a link in my bio as well. So you can click on the link. So you will be directed to on on its registration page. Yeah, I have not faced anything like in 1 year, more than 1 year now. So I don't know if somebody faces an issue, maybe, but I have never faced anything. From short BTC. Hello, Black Panther. Short BTC. BTC can be BTC is unpredictable. I'm not I don't remember like I when did I open the BTC position. I'm not trading BTC. That's a 5 minute time frame. Like see the movement. That's the 15 minute time frame. What is how can we judge this moment? Like and then it just fall down again. Like very unpredictable. Very unpredictable for now. If you try to catch the momentum, if BTC moves 1%, but I must say if you guys want to trade futures, don't trade in big pairs. Try to use small pairs, like the pairs on the lower side of their prices. If BTC move 1%, they like jump around 10%, 20%, maybe sometime 50%. So Uh, uh, in Elbank, the fees, I think it's not that high. Even I just got the email. They just gave me a referral if you suggest people. So I asked them, okay, what you will offer them. So they asked, they just the representative told me like, they can offer like 50% fee discount on trading fees. I said, okay, it's good enough. So if you want to get yourself registered, just give it a try. If you see if the fee is not that much high, if you calculate that, so you can keep using this exchange. It's good. I'm happy with that. You can give it a try. Brother, I'm from Pakistan but living in Thailand. So okay, it's good for you if you do trade on BTC and Ethereum only. Okay. BitGet is also, I think it's a good application, but I don't know. I have never used that one. I majorly used Binance previously. Uh, I have uh, an account over there and few of my funds over there. And yeah, majorly these two exchanges. Uh, Ninja Trader Miner. Brother, I have never used that. I don't know what about it for BTC. LBank is good. It's good for me. You can you can get yourself registered and try to take like two, three, four trades, and just if you feel good, you can just keep it continue. It's good for me actually. Uh, Almost all of the exchanges have like same kind of interfaces and same kind of tabs, so you can use whatever you want to use. Scalping, brother, for scalping, just I think you don't need to go for indicators. Scalping, you just try to catch the momentum. How do you catch that? I just told you. It's very easy, very understandable. Anybody can understand. Like even a small kid can understand. And the second thing, RSI. If you see the RSI, you can take the and set the value for short-term scalping. If you use lower 5 minute, 1 minute time frame, use the RSI value 5. So that's a good indication. So you can get a if and for opening the long position, RSI value should be uh, below 20. So that's the benchmark you can keep following. I also have account on Maxis as well, but I am not using that much. So I think this is the major strategy what I used to follow. I am not following like multiple indicators, but I use this one, SMC. Uh, but it's 50-50 kind of thing. So I'm not happy with this one actually. If we see what is the pair, I've just took the trade. Let's talk about truth. This is a pair. It shows you the change of character, see the movement, and you can take the trade, but most of the time it does not work very well. It's kind of 50-50 thing, so you can take a chance to use this one. Major, any no indicator. All season I well I had a discussion with a very smart trader. He was a very big trader, and what he was telling me, it happened. I discussed it like more than now 6 months back. So he was telling me, okay, the BTC, the all season is just near, maybe in the last quarter of the previous year, and he was very hopeful for that, but it did not come. So we cannot judge now. Previous trade, no, previous trade is open. Let me show you. It's open. It's $20 positive now. It's going to hit. Maybe it can go. It will hit my TP. Uh, for buying spot, brother, I must say just buy uh, the good project coins, the coins which are already on the lower side of their prices. You can just buy and just let them uh, go up someday. When the all season comes in, then maybe you can get more profit than the futures. So you can buy the coins which are already on the lower side of the prices and have not much volume. Volume should be below like $10 million. So if you see that these kind of coins, so just you can buy and let them stay in your wallets for the long period of time. Somebody is talking bad, guys. Please don't say bad things. Crypto DEVV. I think I have just checked this one earlier. I don't remember. Let me check. Uh, it's coin. I think it's listed on futures, or what was that actually? Somebody was talking about this. One example. Okay, let me check. One example. Let's say uh, if we talk about this pair, this is bonk. For example, this is bonk. See the movement. That's 1 day time frame. It's already on the lower side, almost all the lower side. But no, I think it went up. You see that I'm just dragging back. So it's not 100% on the lower side, but for the long term investment, yes, you can take a chance to keep it. Just wait for the alt season. Almost every altcoin is on the ground right now. Uh, what was that? Sorry. For I think it's not listed on this exchange. Uh, we can check on TradingView. E- it's crypto. Oh yeah, okay. USDT maxes. It's just maxes. Okay, let's. You're talking about this one. Is this right? Uh, let's do that on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is falling down, and let's talk about 1 day time frame. It's you see, it's just keep falling down. It went up. It was at this price in 2024, like say in mid of September. It was at this price. So it went up to 1.76 and maybe it will when it's launched, yeah. So I must say 2.47. If this is the one, this one DEVV, you are talking about this one, okay, maybe. So if it will do something big, then yeah, these kind of coins I'm talking about. Like you see, in September 2024, it was on the lower side, and right now it's on also on the lower side. But if you follow this indicator, that's what I was just talking about. It's showing weak low. So weak low means it can fall down more, but how much more? It's already on the lowest price. Uh, so maybe it can fall down a little bit more, but yeah, maybe yeah, you're right. If they're just making something with Nasdaq, maybe so that can be a good option. But we can buy these kind of coins on spot. So Rose H, what is it doing? Rose or Rose is a coin or what is that? This one? Uh, that's the 1 day time frame. Sorry guys. Uh, is it breaking something? Okay. Momentum for if hourly momentum is bearish, 50 for scalping it's good, I must say. It's volatility is very high. You can see this is 1 day time frame. It goes up, it just fall down again and went back up, trying to grab more. But if we do a little bit back test, it's a very volatile coin. See, that's the 1 day candle frame. Very risky coin for now. But yeah, good for the long-term investment, I must say. But not from here. Maybe it can fall down a little bit more again. You see, these are the 1 day time frames. So I think we should wait. Check H. What's happening with H? Don't tell me. I just, oh yeah, it just gained a good momentum. Wow. I was planning to take the trade in this one. Okay, no problem. Let's see. It's my favorite coin of all the time. This is my favorite. This is the coin. It encouraged me to do live sessions. So I have made good in this one. So yeah, thank you, Emily brother. Okay. So let's talk about our previous trade. What's going on with that? Bonk. Uh, yeah, $16. It it looks like let's put the stop loss at $10 maybe. I don't want to make $5 in this trade. I just want to make it seems. Yeah, yeah, H is money maker for me. Yeah, I made a very good profit in that. I got lucky actually. One let me tell you another thing. Actually, I was sleeping at that time. So when I woke up, I thought there must be some glitch in my profile, my portfolio. I just refreshed it again and again, but I saw the price of HO. I was very happy. So uh, yeah, yeah. So yeah, that was the reason I love that coin actually. So Let's see if we can get another option and another opportunity. Just one position in a day. This one is also moved up. I was just hoping, I was just planning to take the trade in this candle, but okay, that's fine. I think today one trade would be enough. Okay, no, not now. Opening just long positions, not short. Truth, let's talk about truth. Yeah, it's also going up on the 5 minute time frame. Okay. Favorites. Let's see. Do I get H is H can be a good opportunity to open the short position from here, but taking chance can be a good option. But you see, 15 minute time frame, no. Um, one big candle can be very risky, but I think we can if we see the RSI is 92 on the 15 minute time frame as well. So on the 1 hour, it's also very favorable to open the short position. On the 15 minute, it's 90, somewhere around 90. On the 5 minutes, it's 88. In the 1 minute, it's okay, 60. I think we can take a chance to open the short position. Quick trade. Let me just check. Um, okay. I think a bit confused right now. Uh, Taking chance can be a good option, but can be very risky on the other hand as well. So, uh, let's see. Let's see on the 5 minute time frame. What does it say? Okay. Okay. My bonk position is closed. I think it hit my TP, my stop loss. Uh, Sorry, not this one. Yeah, my stop loss is hit, which is even 10% dollars, $10 positive. Okay. Um, I was not hoping for this one, but okay. Still, we are in safe zone. Uh, I just want to get another bonk is if we see 5 minute, 15 minute can be. We can set the limit order as well, but I am not sure yet. See, that's a fall. See, that's a 1 minute time frame. 1 minute. Let's see the funny time frame. Okay. What do you think? Should we take a chance again? Uh, but try to grab the momentum instead of falling for the trade, falling for the candle. I think not sure yet. Okay, we will wait again for this one, and we'll see how much can we. H bar. Why we are forgetting this one? Yeah, this is also a good pair on the 15 minute time frame. Yes, it's in a good shape. We can take a chance in this one as well. That's a 1 hour candle frame. Yes, good chance. Bit confused in this one. There is not much movement in this one. So even RSI is also not giving us a clear indication. So there is not much movement in this. Actually, might be not much volume. Okay. Yeah. I took like three trades in this one. But for if we see the 1 day time frame, this kind of coin is I love these kind of coins. These kind of coins. If you get stuck, let's assume if you get stuck in the long position, it's just falling down. Still, it's on already on the lower side of the prices. I have never seen in the 3 years career of my life somebody speaking about this strategy. Try to grab the coin which are already on the lower side of their prices. So everybody's just telling, okay, okay, this coin just catch the momentum, go up. Let's find open the long position. Use very like 50x, 100x of your margin. Don't use that. Take 50x leverage. I am not falling for that. I have never done that. Yeah, 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 I understand. Crypto is very volatile. Even like I try to follow sometimes a pattern. Previously, I was doing that. So, okay, now this is head and shoulder patterns. Okay, now this is bullish pattern. Now this is bearish pattern. Now if the candle moves from here to there, then this is the pattern I'm going to enter the position. Then the market falls down or market goes up against that trade. So if it's going against that trade, that means it's making another pattern. So how can you decide like what pattern is that? So it's kind of like tricky thing. I'm not falling for that for now. So I'm not following patterns now. I'm just following the momentum, the book, and doing the scalping for the short term and putting my stop loss if my trade goes to positive side. Most of the time it goes very well. So sometimes it gets stuck, but you can do DCA later on if you would be in need of that, and then you can just close your trade quickly. So that's what I do. Most of the time it goes very well. So yeah. So things are good. So far, so good. I hope things will go much better. Okay. I'm doing long, and I have made long positions. Let me tell you for on the 10th October, I was just opening the long position in H, and let me tell you the 10th October of H. I opened the position at somewhere around zero point 0.5, somewhere around there, and the market fall down. I was sleeping at the time. It was a night time here, so yeah. See, that was the good option to open the short position. We could have take the chance. Okay, let it go. Let's talk about 10th of what is 10th of October. Yeah, this is the 10th of October. I opened the position. My position was already open and on 10th of October. Then it fall down to 0.03. It took almost half of my portfolio at the time. It did not took, but my portfolio was a negative on that. And then it pulled back up, and I waited for this day. I sold my coin, I think, somewhere around 135 or 136. So I made a good profit in this trade. Then it went up to this. I could have made more than, but I did not do that. Okay, the profit you made already, it's good enough. So mostly I open the long positions to use cross price. Uh, I have a very big portfolio. I open the position with 1% of my capital, so I open it with cross margin. I don't use isolated. And my I keep following my strategy as well. If trade goes wrong, I do DCA with another 1%, and if it still goes wrong, then I close my trade with negative 2% of my portfolio. So it happened with me 5, 6 times, not under 10 times, not more than that, since last 1 year. So things are going good so far. So if you're new to crypto, I must suggest you guys to you can use isolated margin. If one trade goes wrong, don't do DCA, just let it go. But use smaller margins instead of using big margins. So that's what my suggestion is for the newcomers. So if they want to risk, they want to learn. So, and they want to use like bigger for example 5% or 10% of capital. Okay, if something goes wrong, if you are unable to judge the moment and you are unable to get the trade right, just let that amount go, or you can just close the trade at half of the loss. That totally depends upon you, but use isolated margin for those kind of people if they have like small margins. If you have bigger capital, then you will take a chance because you're using already less than 1%. Sometimes I've opened less than 1% trade, less than 1% of my capital. So I try to play small instead of like losing all. So things are that's the way actually I have seen people like losing money. Why they're losing it? Like they are using cross margins, doing DC again and again, or multiplying their positions, which is very wrong thing for the wallet. So yeah, H is going up. H bar. I want to open the long position in this one. and just keep it continue maybe for the long period. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I must say, if you are new, open like with 10x is max. Try to use 5x. At least you are making something. Let's assume you are making some cents, not even a dollar. At least you're making something. Okay, the fee is there. They're charging, the exchanges are charging the fee and stuff. Okay, still you're learning. You try to compound your capital instead of like putting multiple capital, maximum capital, and I'm what. Oh, okay. So did you book your profit or you H bar is on you see it's near to the it's lower side. Oh, okay, okay. No problem, brother. It's the lesson, I must say. Uh, still you gain something at least, I must say. If that means, yeah, that means you have learned something. Don't be greedy in the market. Just take the profit and stay. That's what I always say. Set your target and just take that profit. If you're gaining, I have lost a lot. I started making money like almost every day, and most of the time what I do, I was doing over trading. I was just again doing against my like discipline. So hook, yes, sure. Yeah, let me check hook. Okay, what is hook doing? Going up? Yes, 1 day time frame. Good coin for the long term investment. 1 hour is good. Can fall down a little bit. It maybe it can fall down a little bit. Uh, but we cannot confirm it yet. But the momentum is bullish for this one. You see the 1 day time, 1 hour time frame. 1 day is also seems favorable. But anything can be happened just like this. Trump was up in this candle actually. So I have one position. 10x leverage is good. Okay, it's a good thing, but 4,500 plus dollars. Okay, if you can take a chance. But from what price did you open the position? Like it's now 0.0368. So 0.037. Yeah, for the long period of it should be in negative right now because the price is low. But 5 minutes time frame. When did you open the position? 15. Okay, somewhere around there. Like few hours back. Okay, not here, not here, not here, not here. Yesterday, yeah. Okay. As far as I understand, uh, let's see the momentum. Let's see about this indicator. What does this one says? Let's try to catch. What does this says? This indicator is saying 1 day. 1 day is saying it's saying weak low, but surely you will get it back for sure. But how much time it will take? Let me try to tell you the least at least. Okay, 15-minute week high. So on the short time frame, I must say you will get to your. It seems like weak strong high on the 1 hour time frame, but this fall was bad. I think we can survive. Yeah. Hello, brother. How are you doing? Good. I hope good. You're good. Yeah, weekend actually I was unable to come online yesterday, so I just don't want to miss a chance. Actually, I'm still not at home. I'm at kind of my holiday home, some in some other city. Okay, so I must say, guy, brother, you can just wait. I must say, of course, you will wait. things will be hopefully in your favor. Seems like the momentum is bullish on the 1 hour time frame. Yes, you can wait. The waiting is the key, and if something goes wrong, you are still on the low. You can wait. Maybe if things getting bad, then I must say you can just wait. Time will come very quickly to at least to your break even. But yes, I think you can make a good profit in this trade. Good chances to make a good profit. Let's see, it's already on the lower side almost. So yeah, good. I must say it's a good price to enter, but yes, you can take the chance. Okay, why should we not take? Why we're not taking any other position? What we are just discussing something. Okay, bonk. Let's talk about C. After hitting my stop, yeah, it was there was another chance. I think TP 039. Yeah, okay. 039. Yeah, it's a good TP, I must say. You can take a chance. If you are still in, actually you are in a position right now, so waiting is the key to success. So in crypto, patience and waiting. Don't open another other position if you're using your gross margin and then you have backup. So if the liquidity is not showing in your position, then you're safe, I must say. In my edge position, my liquidity was not there. That's why I survived 10th of October. So if my liquidity would be there, then I could have liquidated my account as well. So I was opening just one. I was in open one position only. So GUSDT moved 3% last month. Yeah, GUSDT is just uh, gain a good momentum, but will fall down. I just missed that opportunity. I'm just hoping for that one to come below at least. I will take the long maybe again if it will come to 0.160, maybe somewhere around there, if I would get that chance. Surely it will because the market is moving sideways, it's just moving up, moving down. So it's just like you and me, people are just playing in the market on weekends mostly. So let the whales get a good sleep. Okay, this one is just okay. If we see the 15-minute time frame on this pair, Aster, ASTER, this is the candle. This is the pattern I just try to follow. Uh, but for that could be a better option for the swing for the long term trade. You see this green candle, the next candle was in red candle, closed in red candle. The bot top of these two candles should be below the body of this candle, or maybe the wick of this candle. So we can take a chance to open the short position in the very next candle, not in this candle. If so, if the volume comes in and somebody just open the positions, then it can go way more up. But opening the short position in this kind of candle, that's how I try to grab the momentum actually. Uh, okay. How much time is this? Just 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, so yes. 15 minute on the 5 minute, yes, we can. You see, that's the momentum. This is how you can just catch the momentum. These three candles, that's the three candle pattern, what I used to follow, and it works very well. In the very next candle, that could be that could go up, but most of the time, this is a very clear indication of catching the momentum. You guys can give it a try. It works very well, but for that, for the very specific period of time, if I'm doing the for the 5 minute time frame, maybe it can work for like 3 4 5 6 candles, not more than that. So most of the time it works very well. That's the very basic thing I just got to know, and it's working very well. So you guys can give it a try. It's a good opportunity to understand the market momentum. Okay. H bar, I just want to open the long position in this one. Should I open the long position? But it's not giving me an indication, but it's already on the lower side. See, it's getting a little bit support and trying to. I will open the long position from here. Okay, without the confirmation can be risky. Market use, like how much can I use? How much I want to use? I want to use just $300 in this trade. Open long and okay. I just took a chance. Actually, it looks bad market movement, but I actually just did open one position. I just took the chance actually from here. Let's see if this trade goes well. So yeah, my position is open. Well, I used $300 margin in this trade. Yeah, $330. It's still less than 1% of my capital. So okay. Uh, yes. Let's see. But okay. It's already on the why did I took the trade? I wanted to take a chance in this trade to yes. That's 1 hour time frame. Where should be the TP? TP should be somewhere. If that could hit my TP, that will give me a $102. Okay, maybe it will take some time. That's a 1 hour time frame. I'm just seeing if I want to close this position in a very quick way, maybe it will not. But the momentum see the momentum, it doesn't look very nice. But I just took the trade. Okay, let it go. I have a good hope for this one. On the other hand, let's talk about this pair. Yes, I just want to catch the momentum again in this one. I hope I would be able to get that. Am I getting any message on YouTube? No, not yet. Okay, so yes. Is it live? Yes, it's live on YouTube. If you guys want to see the better view, you guys can check me on my YouTube channel as well. So I have just shared the screen. On TikTok, it doesn't work very well. Uh, thank you, Sonaya, for following. Sonaya might be okay. Uh, okay. What I want to do is I will wait again. Surely I will wait again to see what do I trade. What platform I'm using. Okay, I'm trading like meme coins mostly. I am trading multiple various like meme coins most of the time. So this is Bonk, for example. I just want to take the long position from here. So I'm just waiting for the right time. On the other hand, what platform I'm using, there is a link in my description in my bio. You can check to register this exchange. Lbank, that's Lbank exchange. It's kind of like the other exchanges. It's listed, it's linked with TradingView as well. That's why I'm using it. It's so, hello, thank you so much for your message. So yeah, this is the platform I'm using. Entry for this one, for Bonk, you're talking about for BTC. BTC is like for scalping, I must say, it's not moving very much nowadays. Today, actually, it's moving sideways. I'm not in the favor of uh, BTC for now. Sorry for that. But yeah, uh, anything can be happen. So if someone big speak up about something bad, so anything can BTC can fall down. Or if nothing happens in the market, no big news in the market, no war, no next war, no Greenland issue, no nothing is extra going to happen by the end of this weekend, then maybe the price will go. up up to $93,000 maybe. But if the weekend goes very well, if the weekend is not going very well, just like the previous weekend, so maybe BTC can fall down to $85,000 or maybe $84,000 would be the next support, which can be a good support. Uh, but whales can move the market anywhere. We can just have set our TP and stop losses to avoid losing our wallets. I just want the next candle to be in green, then I can take a chance to open the long position. But let's see. No. I will try to catch the momentum again, just like I did before. But for this time, okay, just 1% is good enough, I think. RSI is not in favor now. Let's see if it goes well. So just one position open right now. It's H bar, which is like right now it's on the move. The market is closed. Yeah, the market is closed for Forex and for stocks, S&P 500, for gold, but not for crypto. Crypto is 24 by 7. It's decentralized market. Nobody controls it. You and me controls it. So it's 24 by 7. You can trade anytime, anywhere. So yeah. But the closure of the market of Forex and the other things can also affect the market movement as well. So yeah. But crypto moves 24 by 7. It's not required to open and close timing. So yeah. Uh, BTC on MT5, I think BTC, yes. MT5, you can link with your broker. If your broker is just trading with I think there are multiple various traders, brokers which are just trading crypto as well. So I think most of the traders, brokers are listed BTC as well. So you can, is it BTC? This one is Bonk USDT. That's a meme coin actually. That's I'm just waiting for the right time to open the position actually. So BTC, if you already have listed your broker with your MT5, you can check in your list of your cryptocurrencies. Most of brokers now offering uh, cryptocurrencies as well. You can check it out if you want to know specifically which one. So mm, there are like various. I just have two accounts. One is on XNS and on the other one is on XM Trader. I'm in Thailand, so they are working well here. You can just give it a try. Uh, I'm not doing BTC actually. BTC USDT. I'm not doing it. I'm just trading. I'm trading. I'm scalping long positions only, buying actually for like meme coins. Now bonk, cross or isolated. I'm using 1% of my capital, so I'm using cross margin and uh, leverage is 20x max. That's it. That's my strategies actually, and yeah, it's working well. I just opened a position uh, of this pair H bar long position from here. I just took a chance with $300. It's actually less than 1% of my capital, so you can just calculate it. So that's why yeah, I hope this will go well. If you want to see the position, so here is the position. $313. Estimated liquidity price is not showing because I have very big backup. So if something goes wrong, I will do DCA if my this price goes wrong to negative 70 to 70%. If my this trade goes to negative 70%, I will do the DCA with the same price again, with the same amount again actually. And if things goes wrong again, then I will close the trade at negative 2% of my capital. That's my uh, discipline is actually. That's what I'm following since last more than 1 year now. XRP, we can check. XRP is like moving very steadily, I must say. I still remember in 2017 I bought the XRP at the price of 60 cents, I think. Yeah, in spot in 2017. XRP. It's 1.9, 5 minute candle frame, 15 minutes falling down, 1 hour falling down, 1 day is red. If BTC, if Trump is not saying anything and BTC and all the other things are working well, so maybe it will get a good pump. Just waiting for, the alt season. As soon as all season on the door, then these things will blow up in the sky. BTC is still dominating the market, so when the alt season is coming, we cannot confirm it yet. So all season is alts are capturing the 29% of the market now. BTC is dominating the market with 58 point something percent. Yeah. So yeah, BTC is just moving the market because it's dominating. And yeah, waiting for the all season since last more than 1 year now, I must say. So yeah, things are going good so far. Okay, so what were we were just having a look on H bar. No, this is the position we have just opened the position already. Maybe it will fall down. I was just waiting for this one. Yes. I want to open a position, long position again. I hope I will get it. Okay, if you guys want to register yourself with this exchange, the link is in my bio. You can click on that link and register yourself. Uh, so there's a promo going on. If you register by clicking on the link, you will be given 50 free USDT for trading your futures. So you can open a trade with that and you can make the profit on top of that. The profit you make on top of that, you can withdraw with in your account as well, or you can keep your trading continue. So it's a good opportunity. Just for after registration, you will get it. You don't need to do KYC as well. So it's a good opportunity. You can just. This is the exchange L Bank. Uh, it's a good exchange. I'm using this since more than 1 year now. I'm using it. I'm happy with that. You guys can avail that opportunity again if you want to use that. The link is in my bio. If you are unable to get any, if you are unable to get the link or you face any issue, you can just write me in my private message as well. I will reply you on that as well. So yeah, that's the exchange. Uh, I don't think so. I think you need to check. You can just give it a try to register yourself, but don't do KYC if you face any problem. I think withdrawal limit is with KYC is I need to check. I don't remember now actually. Uh, let I will share you after the live session. I will share to you the screenshot if you just send me a message. So or you can check it out by yourself as well. Just click the link so you can check. Big trades, I'm not trading big actually. I'm just today I just opened a position. So I hit my stop loss with $10 positive actually. So transaction history show you this. So just made $10, just waiting for the right time to open another position. These were the trades previous day. Just making small, not running after big profits. Just making 50, 60, 70, sometimes 80, sometimes 90. Yeah. in just one trade most of the time. So this one just hit my yeah. Okay, we can take a chance again. Uh, Thank you so much for following as well. Thank you, guys. Big trades. I'm in actually Thailand. So what I do is I transfer. Crypto is legal here, so we can transfer it direct in our banks as well. Moreover, Binance TH, that's specifically for withdrawal. So I can just send my money. I mostly I send my money from my account to my wallet, my from this LBX exchange wallet to my Binance TH. Then I link my bank with that. So I just withdraw in just one click. Just put the money and convert that to Thai baht actually. So yeah, that's what I do. You are trusted, dude. Uh, I I don't know what if you're praising or you're appreciating or you're just well, thanks. That's what I do. If you guys need any help, I'm here for you guys. We have just started building community. Yeah. So I am actually new to this thing. I was not even using my TikTok earlier, so just I just thought there is a big audience and people want to learn. So I just want people to just understand the market. And if anybody is new, just do on demo trades. Don't give a single dollar, don't give a single penny to anybody. If I will ask, don't give it to me as well. So don't do that. And this live session is just for information and for fun. And we just talk, we just discuss strategies, not strategies, but few coins, the movements, the market updates. That's it. That's what we do. I'm not selling any course. I will not ask for selling my any course. I'm not an expert in trading. I have just made a good profit following by my discipline. So I'm just trying to teach the people to follow the discipline only. I don't know how to draw the lines. I don't want people to understand to fall for the lines, for the patterns. Just basic few things and just do trade. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Same here. It's really nice to talk with you guys. It's really an honor. Yeah, yeah. Being transparency. I have, brother. Let me tell you one thing. I lost 2 years of my life losing money. Actually, I must say, but I learned this thing. I have just followed my discipline. I made up discipline, and my discipline is working very well for me. I can show you all of my results. Even I think in this exchange, they show you 1 month result. If you want me to show you, I can show you right now. So I'm just following the discipline. One of my trade is stuck very bad. It's still not 2% of my capital negative, but it's still from like, I think more than now 10 days. It's stuck. It's still not. Uh, yeah, yeah, I understand. Asad brother, let me tell you one thing. Uh, just open long positions on the coins which are already on the lower side of the prices and try to open just long positions with maybe not maybe one or two positions at once if you have like small capital. And if you still have small capital and use 1% of your capital to open one position, you can use another 1% to open another position. Don't open multiple positions. I have faced this issue. uh, Um, that's your experience, brother. Well, I have gained a lot profit. So yes, if you make some profit, everything is down. I understand the thing. Yeah, I understand your feeling. What you're talking about. But I think if you make something, then you can see this is the market. Someone is winning, someone is losing. Someone is getting your money in his pocket, and if you want to get it back, you have to fight for that. How you fight for that? You have to just make a discipline, make some follow. Very simple. I have seen people drawing the lines and taking the trades and trades going wrong. So don't follow for that. Don't fall for that. Just set a discipline, open the position with less margin, use minimum leverage from the market, try to compound your capital. Okay, great. Good for you. If you're doing it and you're making something, it's good. I must say it's good. If you're making money, Until unless you're not losing anything, it's good for you. It's just, I must say, it's a smart money. I think weekend is very low. Yeah, weekend doesn't work. Weekend, now crypto still is like a decentralized thing. So, but still like the whales control the market. Of course, whales are just moving the market. You see the gold, you see the silver, you see the S&P 500. They're just moving, and the BTC also moving along with that. So it was not doing previously. These are two separate like financial systems, but they are just now moving together. So in a day, yes, you can make $1 million in a day if you have $2 million in your account. Means you can just lose $1 million, so still you have $1 million. Well, no, yes, you can make if you have big money. So, um, I have I'm not I have not reached even 100K dollars yet, so I'm just trying to compound my capital. Maybe after the end of maybe in the mid of the year, I would be able to get that. I will share you guys the results of my trading for sure. So yeah, so things are going good so far. Just just make a discipline. I have seen people. If you don't know the trading, just take a discipline and follow that. You will make money in this. Everybody can make it. My biggest trade in a day was actually I just took the trade on Binance. My That was Edge coin on my Binance. Actually, it was on that, so I just moved the money from there to here. That was, I think, above $10,000 I have made in that trade on the Edge one. I opened the trade with $300. Yeah, it was 300 or so. I don't exactly remember that. I will have to check that history. So I just near to 9,000 something that dollar in just one trade, and it took me three days to achieve that target. I was moving my stop loss along with that. So, but the coin was on the lower side of its price. I bought it on very right price. So, in a day nowadays, what I do is, because I have just gained a good portfolio. I'm doing is I try to increase my portfolio with just 1% every day, not on weekends, just on working days. And if you are profitable in 15 days, then it's good enough if you have big portfolio. So that's what I always tell people. If you still have lower portfolio, just compound it. Just compound your capital. So yes, you can gain a good profit. I have gained a lot. No, I for scalping, I'm not using volume indicators. I have never used any indicator for volume. If you know everything, you know. One of my friend was just telling me it's not how to start. It's you should know where to stop. So that was the thing. It's when it came into my mind. So I just kept following him. His that this one line. You should know where to stop. Actually, if you're not stopping and you're making money, you're not stopping, then you will lose, of course. So you set your target and just achieve it and just stay away from the market. So that's what I have learned. And he was very right. And he's still very right as I'm just following that discipline. Things are good. Yes, everybody can make money. Uh, just make a discipline and keep follow that. It's very easy. It's very easy money. So yeah, even I have seen people like losing. Even two of my friends lost a lot. News coins? Sorry, I don't understand. Like news coins or new coins? You were talking about new coins. News or new? Sorry, I don't understand. Um, well, if you're talking about new coins, I avoid those coins actually. If the newly listed coins, so try to just stay away for let them set to some price at least. So then for the news coins, if you talk about news coins, I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, I think okay, my other trade is okay, that's the history. Okay, so market seems like it's just falling down a little bit. My this trade is just moving along my break even. See, I think I have got it right. Maybe. Uh, Brother, greediness cannot. It's your emotions. That's how you. I think. What's your age? Can you tell me your age? It will come with the time. If you are too young, it will. You will learn from the market. If you are losing it, then you will learn it. If you're not losing it, that and you still in profit, then greediness is good for you. I must say, 26. Yeah, it's very it's the age, it's very dangerous age for to control on your emotions. So news coins which created after the certain. Actually, I majorly what I do, Mumbai, what I do is, I just check the coins which are already on the lower side of the prices, whatever the coin is. It's not specifically for any coin, any kind of coin which are already on the lower side of their prices. I just open the long positions. That's my strategies, and it's working very well. It's no problem. You will get it something. You will get it back for sure. And control. Okay, let me summarize my discipline for you guys. I open the trade with 1% of my capital. Use 20x leverage. It's not recommended if you're new. Uh, Try to use 10x leverage. Close your trade. That trade above 15% or 20% gain in that trade. Try to gain 1% of your capital or 2% of your capital in a day if you have small capital. And if one trade goes wrong, you can keep another 1% to do DCA. If you guys know the DCA, it will double your position size, but it will increase or decrease your price. It will uh, grab your price near to your uh, break even, so you can close your trade in profit. Or on the other hand, if trade goes wrong, you and it goes negative 2% of your portfolio, just close that trade by your hand. In fact, instead of like waiting for someone to come to close it for you, or the someone will come to take all of your money. Just if you want to do DCA, just do it for once only. That's it. That's the major discipline. Just compound your capital. If you have $10, make like few cents one day. If you have a big capital for uh, Asad brother, I must say, if you are not losing, it's good for you. Don't lose any money. Uh, just brother, make a discipline. The discipline I knew this discipline from last 2 years, but I started following this discipline from last more than 1 year now. So I have made a discipline 2 years back, but I was greedy at that time. Still, I was losing money. I made good profits every day, but greed is, the thing. It just took you down again and again and again. So I made like I have doubled my capital in one day, but very, very small capital at that time. Let's say if you have $500, you have made another $500. That means you double your capital. That means it gives you confidence that that means you can make something. So you will take another trade. So it happened with me multiple times that I was over trading. So that was the doing I was doing wrong actually. So yeah, I come live, not on weekdays, weekends, but today I was having time and I was not able to come online yesterday, so I just wanted to keep the momentum. So that's why I come online today. So on every weekdays I come online at the same time, not the same time, after 1 hour from now. So you can just check the time as per your. Um, yeah, it's easy. If I put $10, how much I can gain realistically? You can gain $10 on top of that as well. Realistically, you can just open the trade with 50x leverage, use 100% of your margin. Yes, it's possible, but it will go away in very next candle as well. So James brother, what I tell you is just James, I don't know, it's brother. Okay, so what I tell you is just uh don't run after the dollars. Just make the percentage of your capital. That's what I always tell me. I also lost 2 years of my life. Lost a lot of money. I think more than $5,000. So that was very big money at that time for me. It was big money. So I just made a discipline, kept following. So it's 11:40, 48, like in UK. I think you're in UK. Sell this one, this pair. I have just opened the long position in this one. So yeah, okay. As a beginner, if you want to do crypto futures, just register yourself with any exchange. I'm using this one. If you want to register this exchange, the link is in my bio. Register yourself, just study the market. Uh, if you want to learn about few charts, few movements, your understanding where to buy, where to sell, you can use TradingView as well. Just learn with demo account. So every trade offer you demo account. You can just, that's a fake money. So you can use that to open the positions, understand the market. How to learn it, I'm here for you guys. If you guys know how to create your account, if you guys want to know how to deposit your money, if you want to know how to do what to do, I am here. Just ask me anything, I will reply you. Even you can write me in the message, private message as well. I will send you the reply of that message as well. I would love to do that, because we have very small community now, so it's easy for me to respond all of you guys. It's very easy. Let me tell you, of crypto futures, I have just learned that futures thing actually in I think 2 hours. But I was doing spot buying already, so I was not having the idea of futures. So I just learned this in just 2 hours. It's very easy. It's very understand. You can just learn it like in like very few time, very small period of time. So it's very easy thing to understand. Uh, Let me tell you. You see the percent, you see the moment. It's just one candle. My TP means my take profit is at this price. This is 5 minute time frame. Let me tell you 15-minute time frame. I'm expecting the price will go to hit this mark. So if it hit this mark, it will give me just $100. Because my position size, let me tell you my position size. My position size is $313. I'm using 20x leverage from the market. See the 20x leverage from the market. And $313 is my capital. Right now, I'm at 0 point few percentage of my gain. So what my plan is, I will make 30% almost on top of this. Like $100 is almost 35% of $313. So that's my strategies. My it's some if you make like 10% or 15%, if you're new, then you can close your trade. You don't run after like for bigger profits. I have very big capital, so that's why I can take a chance. You see, my there is no liquidity price in showing here. That means, you know, I am not afraid of getting liquidated. So that's why I have just opened this position. This one, okay, Binance. Binance is good. Yeah, you can use it. This is L Bank Exchange. This is the exchange. It's the Hong Kong-based exchange, but I'm using it since like more than 1 year now. You can get yourself registered. The link is in my bio. If you know, if you want to get the link of this, the link is in my bio. Click on that. Get yourself registered. Just put your email or your mobile number and set any password. Uh, to get yourself registered. It's easy to understand. Yeah. Thank you so much. I am here for you guys. Just let me know if you need anything help, any more help in the camp. Okay, what else I have just missed? Did I miss any message? I would recommend new traders to do no. Yeah. Okay. Good. Just um that's what I have just already told you. Uh, don't fall, don't follow the dollars actually. Just uh, increase the percentage of your capital. If you will like, if you want to make $50, that's very achievable. Uh, but for that, you need to have bigger capital, of course. If you want to make a small percentage of your capital, for example, 50% is 1% of how much could be, yeah. Um, 5,000, 500, 5,000. Yeah. So if you want to make $100 or $50, you should have $5,000 in your account. So I don't recommend you that to put a big money. If you want to make 1% of your capital every day, this is my strategy. If I want to make $50, I would have to put $500. I want to play safe actually. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, you can make you can put $1,000 and you can make $50 on top of that. I made it. It's achievable. You can do it, but you will lose it uh, because you're risking more capital to gain more profit. So more risk, more reward, less risk, less reward, but still you're safe. So that's my tip to you guys. Uh, uh, yes, on $1 on top of $10 means you are gaining 10% of profit. So just look at the percentage of profit you are making. Yes, you can make it. You can make it because you have less capital. You can just take a chance to make 10%. If you will have $10,000 and you want to make $1,000, you will be like, you will be like very worried about to open the position with, for example, let's you have $10, you can just take a chance to open with 50% of your capital. Yes, you can. And I was doing it. And when I was using like 80-90% of my capital, when I was having like $100 in my account. So I opened the position with $70, $80. Okay, it's gone. Let it go if it goes wrong. So I was making like $50, $30 on top of that $100 every day. Then I was just losing it as well. So yeah, this thing is just possible, but you need to be very careful with that. Yeah, no, I am not opening any position right now in BTC. I have not opened any position, bro. Stop telling people like what. Yes, Mr. David, yes, you can just contact with him if you want to. I'm not taking any responsibility of anyone. Just want people to understand, to make the pattern, make the discipline. That's it. Okay, what strategy I use? I think you missed that. I opened the position with 1% of my capital. Let me just, okay. I opened the position with maximum 1% of my capital, uh, taking 20x leverage from the market. Close that position, uh, 20% profit, 30, above 15%. That's where I decide. And if it goes wrong, I do TCA with the same amount of capital. So if everything goes wrong, I close my trade manually with loss of 2% of my capital. That's what I always mention. I'm mentioning loss. What I make, I try to make just 1% of my capital every day and compound it. Just when you will work on compounding, you will get to know about that. So compounding is the key of wealth. And I think I'm on the way. I hope I will make some wealth someday and will be able to share it with you guys. Okay, let me tell you. Let me show you, in fact. This is so confusing. Like, what's so confusing? You can just. Okay, okay, guys. I think let's not do transaction history. Let me show you 1 month history of my last 30 days. Okay, okay, good enough. Let me show you my history. Okay, order center. This is showing just for 7 days. Uh, okay, that's good strategy. If your strategy is working well, good for you. But I don't put stop loss on that. Okay, let me set the date since I think that would be good. I am just showing you with from 10 to 14, 24, sorry. Okay, so here is the history. You guys can see if you guys want to see, and I never go against this. Let me be yeah, yeah. Okay, it's good for you. It's good for you. If it's working for you and you have very better understanding of your uh, trades, yes, it's good for you. Nobody's teaching. Nobody's teaching. I have never seen like crypto kings what proclaimed crypto king. Nobody's talking about this. I have never seen a single person talking about this thing. I don't know why they are just in showing the percentage of their capital. What they are doing is what they open the position with $1 using 200x leverage. Just one move can give you. They will show you like they have made 1,000% of profit just in one trade. On the on the top of that, they're just making $5 or $10. So they are not showing you their dollars. This is my real account. This is my a real account, and this is not my demo account. I don't want to show you my total capital, but I want to show you the trade result. This is the trade results. You can see the trade results I'm following you from now. Brother, don't make $100 per day. Don't if you have bigger capital, just make a discipline and keep following that. That's what I just want you to understand. Okay, so this is just I just made $10 today, just during this live session, and just open another position. It's okay. I have a good hope for that. I have set my TP. Maybe I will be able to make another $100. So I was not trading yesterday. I did not took any trade. These are the trades. The showing on 23rd was the day trades on 22nd. You see the time, it's the late night time. Okay. So these trades I opened the day before yesterday, $43, $40, $25. I'm not making big money. $42, $58, $63, $53 on 21. I mean, these are the single trades I'm showing you. On 21, I have made like these trades. On 21, I took like 4 5 trades. All of them were green. Let's go to second page. On 20, $12, $61. On 20, $92 in one trade. And on 20, $70, 20, $30, 20. These are all also in my live sessions. If you want to see my previous live sessions, I took the trades. So these are the trades I have just took. I will show you. There is a loss as well in this one. I will show you. Maybe it will come. Okay, $20, $51, $72, $64, uh, $41. Okay, 19. I will. I just want to see people. Just don't want to hide anything. $68 on 19. Then I did not took any trade like 2 days. $10, $29 on 16, $62 on 15, $112 on 15, $51 on 15, and now 14. See, you guys have seen one thing. I just try to take 3, 4, 5 trades max, not over trading. Um, uh, ChatGPT can guide you the movement as well. It's a good thing. It's kind of indicator thing. Uh you can just check this. Yeah, it works well sometimes. It can give you the idea of the movement as well. Binance, what? Sorry. Uh, this is not this is Binance. This is L Bank Exchange. That's what I'm using. Okay, so 14, you see my trades actually. On 14, 66, 23, 40, 30, and let's go to page 4, $61. So these 5 trades I took on 14. This is 13, I lost $48. That was a wrong trade. I opened the short position. You see, most of my trades are long positions. Only short position I got negative $48. How can Yes, I'm doing it. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, I don't consider myself very pro trader. You see, $87. That's but bigger capital can give you like this. You can take a chance. I open the positions most of the time $200 or $300, uh, which is less than 1% of my capital now. So I compounded my capital. So yeah, that's the result of my previous 14, 15 days. So I have shown you guys. But what you need is you need to control on your emotions, set your TP, set your losses as well. Understand how much loss you can afford to lose. What's the difference between the red and green close? Red and green close. Okay, let me tell you again. close long, open long. Open long means that I have just opened the position here. You see there is no dollars in this position. Bonk, open, that will show you green. When I close it, it comes red. So when the dollar is, see, positive $10. So just that's the thing actually. Opening long means there is no dollars. That means I have just opened the position. No dollars I have made. But when I close this position, ARKM, where when did I close this? Uh, no, actually I just canceled this one. Yeah, sorry. So it's showing you open, closed, cancel trades as well. So that's when you open a position, it will show you in green. So that's what it is. We want to do and learning trading is very crypto future. It's totally depends upon your emotions, brother. Control your emotions. You want to make small profit, make set a target and just go for that. And as well as before you accept the profit, you should have the acceptance of the loss as well. First, you accept the loss. You can do, let's say, my acceptance is 2% of my capital I can afford to lose. Now, this trade is going wrong. For example, this is negative $8. I can afford to lose $600 in this trade. So that's my strategies, and it's going very good. We want this is yes, of course. I'm talking about risking. See, guys. Uh, what you need to do is don't fall for these things, these profits. I showed you I have made it. Anybody can made it. Anybody can make it, but it's totally depends upon you. I have a very bigger capital. I have tens of thousands of dollars in my account, this account. So that means I have made a very good profit. What I did is I compounded that capital. I compounded every day, every day, every day. I have made, and two, three trades were made, gave me a good profit. So my capital is that much big. If you click one good trade, yes, you can make a good profit. What you need to do is you need to just control on your emotions. Just set your profit and your losses as well. Before you set your profit, you set your loss. If you have the acceptance of loss, then you will, nobody can kick you out from the market. If you have, like, if your trade goes wrong, you will be waiting, okay, no, let's put more money, let's put more money and open another position. That means you are just risking your all of your capital in another trade as well. Opening multiple positions can be dangerous. So what I want to tell you guys is just open one position or maybe two positions, but use minimum leverage and minimum margin. That's what I always mention, guys. Want to do trading way of future. Yeah, it's future trading. Yeah. Uh, NIT. Let me check. You're talking about NIT. Is this the pair? In it? You're talking about in it? This one is L Bank Exchange. The link is in my bio. If you want to get yourself registered with that, you can click in my bio. There's a link of this exchange as well. You can get yourself registered with that. Another thing, if something goes wrong, let's say for example this trade is just going wrong. Let me show you my position. It's negative 3% of my trade size. No problem. I can accept to lose negative 2% of 200% of my capital in this trade. Means I can afford to lose $600. Okay, that's fine. I have made this from the market. The market is taking it back. Somebody is gaining it, somebody is losing it. So acceptance of loss is the main key in this one. I have seen people like they just keep their losses and may goes up to one trade sometimes take all of your capital. So don't open it with the bigger margin and the bigger capital. Please try to understand this thing. What emotion do must need? Yes, yes, that's what you need. And if you grab the momentum, catching the momentum is also a good thing. You just need to understand very few basic things. What is the difference of For short-term scalping, nature, let me tell you, for short-term scalping, I use 15-minute and 5-minute time frame. 1 minute is like very funny candle, so you can just see and open and close. For short-term scalping, 5 minutes is very good. 5 and 15 minutes is good. And for if you want to do the long-term trades, like for intraday trades or just swing trades, so yes, you can take 1 hour candle frame. And if you grab the momentum, then yes, put your stop losses as well. And if your trade goes right, put your stop loss at least at break even, so that's the way you can protect yourself. Yeah, at least you will be in the safe zone. That's the previous trade I just took. The previous trade you guys have seen. H bar is going down. Normally we close here. H bar, let me check. uh no problem. No need of getting so much knowledge. No need to of understanding like candles, lights, drawing the candles. The things are going up, things are going down. No need to understand these things. In futures, just make a discipline. My discipline, I have told you guys, I will tell you again. Open the position, any kind of position. Choose the coin which is already on the lowest side of its price, like near to lower side of its price. Open the long position, means buy long position. Use, if you have bigger capital, like $1,000 or maybe more, use like maybe 2%, 3% of your margin and use 10x leverage to be safe. Make small instead of losing all. So yeah, no problem. You don't need to get more knowledge about this. Can I put loss as zero? Oops. Loss as zero, like how? Sorry, I don't understand your question. Yes, I prefer to do that. Focus on one trade and try to do that. If you have bigger capital and you have already opened one trade with 1% of your capital, yes, you can take a chance to open multiple positions, two, maybe three, but not taking the chance of open multiple positions. If market goes down, or if you have opened the short positions or long positions and market goes against you, so that means it will all of your trades multiply by the trades how much you have opened. So your capital will be vanished in very quick. Can I wait? You Yes, I have just opened the long position. I was trying to grab the momentum. Let me tell you, this is the 5 minute, sorry, 15-minute time frame. Let me show you the 5-minute time frame. I tried to grab the momentum, which was not. I opened the position in this candle, in this one candle. It went green. I should have put my stop loss, but it just falling down. But why I am so much hopeful, if we see the 1 hour time frame, I have a good feeling. This is my TP. The red one is my TP, which is $102. Maybe it will take like maybe 1 hour, 2 hour, maybe 5 hour, maybe a day, but it will definitely hit my TP. You see the momentum. If you see the momentum, if you see the moment, yes, you can take the trade. And why I'm not worried about it, I will show you my position. There is no liquidity. Why it's not liquidity? I have opened the position with just $300. That means I have a very bigger capital on the back of that. So I'm not much worried about it. So if you don't understand, if you don't know how to trade, how to open the position, if you took it wrong, still if you have like small capital, small margin to open a position, then still you are safe. Can you are you holding? I have opened the long position. It's possible to wait. Yes, so it's possible to wait when it's profit closed. You can set your TP. That's what I have set it. TP means take profit. I have set the limit to TP. I just dragged. See, when you click on that, that's my stop loss. I can afford to lose. Like I have just moved this one here. This is my stop loss. Let's say. Uh, so if the price goes to this mark, I will be losing like $150. And if the price goes to this mark, I will be making $102. So you can set your stop loss as well. So I have just canceled this one. I'm not putting the stop loss for now. Let me put my, so see, SL and TP, I have just set the TP. Okay, $100. Uh, Coin, see, any kind of meme coin, mm, which is on the lower side of its price, you can take a chance. Uh, H bar is good option for now, opening the long position. Moreover, Bonk is also good. Aster is not now. H is not now. Truth is not now, but can be a good option. This is also listed. Zeus, it's a very newly listed coin. Maybe you can take a chance in this one to open the long position. ARKM, it's a good coin. Yes, you can take a chance. You see the 1 day time frame. This is a coin with the ARKM exchange. It's their coin, and it's already on the lower side. Some if it will work like BNB, maybe it will blow up to thousands of dollars, just like BNB has gone. So, but no, do your own research, guys. That's what I always say. Uh, so these kind of coins, for example, if you get stuck, it's already on the lower side of their prices, but open with very small margin. With very small margin, take very small leverage, like 10x leverage from the market. Open with 1%, 2%, maximum 5% of your capital, not use more than that on these kind of coin. If one day the all season will be here, then they will blow up in the sky. And we are having a very good hope for someday. Yeah, I just took the H. I actually I'm spending more time in discussion today. Uh, I'm not actually. Maybe I will close the session now. It's been, I think, more than 2 hours now. So it's the coin name. This one is oh, sorry, the position I have took, that's H bar. I have took this position. Sorry, I have actually. Sorry. I'm responding to messages. So if I am responding late to your messages, please don't mind, guys. Please. Stop loss. No, I'm not putting stop loss right now. I'm just waiting for the right time to. Okay, now I get why you put two positions. Yes. I afford to lose like 2% of my total capital, the capital I have invested in the futures. Yes, we are playing with crypto actually. We are playing with crypto. Crypto is playing with us, but don't play much. Set a time to play. This is the time, how much time you want to play with crypto. You can play with crypto. If you will spend more time, crypto will start playing with you. So be safe, guys. It's very like risky thing. So yes, I think today's session, I was not. This session was not planned actually. Yeah, thank you so much. Oh, brother, how are you doing? Welcome. Sorry, I wasn't able to contact with you. I will just send you a message, hopefully, after the session. I just forgot actually. I have kids, kids are very time-taking activity. So when you get more profit with good knowledge. Um, Actually, let me tell you. If you want to make Bitcoin is already like on the very higher price. Maybe it can go to $1 million someday. Yes, it can go. Uh, but I must say, like, if you understand the percentage of movement, like how much percentage of the gain BTC is gaining in one day. If BTC is moving from 90, let's say 100K to 110K, that means BTC is just gaining 10%. If BTC is gaining 10%, all of the altcoins and the coins depending on the BTC, because BTC is dominating the market, BTC's 10% move can move all altcoins up to 100x, 100%. So what we are gaining profit on, we are gaining profit on the movement of the percentage. So uh, the volatility on the meme coins or on the small coins are higher than the Bitcoin. So if BTC is losing like $5,000, means BTC is just losing 5% of its value, but it affects the market like maybe 50%. So you can make the money by opening the long, as well. If the market is just falling, you can open the short position as well. But for the meme coins are already on the ground, so avoid to use opening short positions already. Maybe yes, it will go down. Yes, you can take a chance, but maybe it will fall down. The 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 maximum support is at 7500 75K. uh, if it will fall down to 75K, then maybe $50,000 BTC fall could be. But there would be like maximum. Why I think they are on the bottom. um, uh, uh, on the bottom means they are already all on the lower side of their prices. Maybe they can fall down. That's what I always mention. They can more fall down, but they cannot go to zero. Like the position I have just opened. Let me tell you. Let me tell you an example of that. Uh, not this one. Okay. Let me tell you. H bar. If you see what I'm trying to tell you guys. Uh, Let me set the 1 day time frame. That's a 1 day time frame. These kind of coins are already on the lower side of their prices. That's what I'm telling you. You see the previous trend. Have you seen the previous trend? You see, this was the price, then it went to up to there. I'm just mentioning right now. This is the time. These coins for now they are already on the lower side of their prices. That's what I'm just talking about. And opening. Sorry. Let me just. Hmm. You see liquidity. There is no liquidity. If the coin would be on the higher side of its price and I have just opened the long position, for example, it will show me the liquidity here. That means if this coin will go to zero, uh, let's assume this coin is going to zero, still it will not get liquidated because it's not showing my liquidity. For example, it's never gonna happen, but still, I understand on the downtrend. That's why I always emphasize of doing scalping only, not to keep like put you can buy and just let them go. It's not the way of trading. If it, for investment, yes, if you have like extra money and you can buy them in spot and just let them go, maybe this could be the buy the dip option actually, right? Nowadays actually, from last almost 1 month, this could be the buy the dip option. That's my understanding. You can do your own research. If you understand it a better way, you can share your comments in the comment section so everybody can got to know like what what do you think about that? One more draw for liquidity then no. MK4 golf, okay. Yes. BTC, BTC is just moving according to, the market movement and the war, the tariff and the stuff. So people, the big whales just moving their money around. So that's why we cannot like rely on that. H per future bulk. H1 5 minutes. We are gaining another opportunity, maybe. We are getting another opportunity. Maybe I will open the position, but I will share you the results in my WhatsApp channel as well. If you guys want to join my WhatsApp channel, it's in the link. You can just, it's in my bio. Can follow my channel, so I will send you the results of my today's trades. Moreover, I will start sending few signals later on. Thank you so much for following as well, everybody. So today I have gained a good audience. Thank you so much, guys. Uh, I think session is now too much prolonged. I think okay. So today, momentum is. I will try to grab another position and I will share you the results of this trade in my WhatsApp channel. Uh, to join my WhatsApp channel, click on the link in my bio. So you will be directed to join my WhatsApp channel. And if you guys face any problem, just let me know. Thank you so much for following as well and spending some time on my live session as well. Moreover, if you guys want to register yourself with this exchange, yeah. So there is a link in my bio as well. So on the click on the link, and you will be. I want to build that. So you want to build app? Sorry, I don't understand. So what kind of app you want to build? So get yourself registered with this exchange with the link in my bio, and you will be given a 50 free USDT upon your registration, which you can utilize to perform a futures trade. Uh, yeah, it's a good opportunity. Get yourself registered. So you mean you understand like the market will fall down? You were talking about the BTC or any other pair? Okay. Let's try to grab another position. I just want to sold Ethereum. Okay, okay. So you mean most alts? Okay. So you mean the market will fall down? That's what I understand. Or on dog. Okay, 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 okay. Increase. Yeah, yeah. Uh, my understanding is the market will get pullback from here. That's what I understand is because BTC goes sideways. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right. You're quite right. BTC is moving sideways for now. Today, all the day it's just moving along. So okay. Uh, yeah. So I'm from Pakistan, but I'm living in Thailand since more than now 4 years. So yeah. Mm. Uh, Sorry. Yes, you can just ask me in the comment section whatever you want to ask. I would be Ethereum. Ethereum. Let's talk about Ethereum. It's been a long time we have not talked. Ethereum. Ethereum. Yeah, that's the 1 day time frame. That totally depends upon BTC. It's moving along BTC, and BTC will confirm the next move. And yes, for short period of time, good chances to at least go to 32, 33K mark, maybe. Okay, great, great. How's Spain? How's the weather? It must be so cold. Okay. So Ethereum have a chance to go up. Yeah, maybe. It as far as I understand, it seems like it can go up to 33 mark for sure. Maybe in few days. If BTC crosses the mark of $92,000. Yes. Yes, it will. You want me to take risk? I'm not. I have already told you like I'm not trading these big coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, like XRP, more top 10 coins. Like people are just uh telling people like okay, open these two top coins. They will just move the market. So they are just moving the market. They are not gaining that percentage of their value. So oh, okay, 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 good. Yeah, I also don't do big coins actually. I'm just meme coins, meme coins. If you want to make wealth, trade meme coins. That's what I understand. And trade various coins. Don't fall for only for one. Just you can trade multiple various coins at a time. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, yeah, I understand. But I don't know how do he do that. Like he opens the position with taking like 200x leverage, 100x leverage, but not showing his like even at least he should show like his profit. Okay, how much profit you made in one trade. Some trades maybe he's showing like mostly he's not. But what they're doing is they open trade with $1 using 200x leverage. So you understand what I'm talking about. So it shows you like he's making like maybe $5, $6, showing like making 1,000% of the profit. So okay, maybe it's good. I'm making very small profits. I have just shown you guys. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even I have showed. Thank God I have not closed even. Just one trade was in last previous 10-15 days. Even from last 1 month, I have just closed one trade on negative $48, and one is still stuck negative somewhere around $300-400, still going on. But I'm very having a good hope for that. It's already on the lower side. What I'm talking about, what I always talk about, those coins are already on the lower side of their prices. Okay. Yeah. I joined his account once, but I just not follow his account. Link at 12.641 and spot. What do you suggest for you? Prediction. What's your prediction? Link 1246. Let's talk about link as well. 1246. Let's talk about this is 1 day time frame. You you will be it's on the good price, I must say. Did you buy in spot or link, or just you have opened any position in futures? See 1 hour time frame. Just one BTC move on the upside will take all of them a little bit up at least. Not maybe we'll get, but on the alt season, yes, all season can. Yes, are you gonna tell me to be in your chair? Okay, in spot, if you're buying in spot, yes, you are safe, of course. Spot is safe, but not making that much profit, but still you can gain good profit in spot. Link is very good option, good for long-term investment maybe. Link, Dot, Soul, these are big coins. These are good coins for the long-term investment. Maybe they will give you some good profit. Are you good? Yeah, as a brother, I'm just telling the people how I am just taking the trades bought in spot. Okay. Uh, if let's talk about where it can go for you. All you need to do is just do a little bit back test. Uh, let's do that on trading view. Make USDT. Okay, so we are going to set the time frame to 1 day time frame. Okay, let's set it. See, it's just moving down. That's the current price. This was the price like in April 2025. Also, it was the price in June 2025, but it went to this is the mark $27 on August 2025. Okay, $3,300. Good money for long-term investment. Yes. Just multiply it by 12 to 12 30. So what was the all-time high? 20 28 uh 30 30. So 30, it seems like $30 was the all-time high. Let's talk about 1 month. We will show 1 month. Uh oh, it went up to $52, $53. Okay. Yeah, it seems like at least you can double your money. That's what I think. Maybe will take some time, but yes, at this price, if you bought it, maybe it can go down. But in spot, of course, you are safe. For scalping, yes, you can take a chance. How much I have invested? You want to ask about in futures? I'm trading futures actually. So yeah, you're welcome, brother. That's what I understand. You can do your own research as well. Jack, brother, you're asking me like how much I have invested in futures. Well, my capital is tens of thousands of dollars, not only 10. Let me tell you so you can guess. Mentioning the right amount would be not a good idea. So I have just opened this position, H bar, with $313. That position is just open, and this is just near to 1% of my capital. So you can just understand. From scratch, okay. Uh, Everybody can do that. I can do that, then anybody can do that. I just mentioned this thing. This is the right time for the altcoins to start with. Uh, for if you are new to crypto, overall, you don't know how to buy, how to sell, what is spot, what is futures. So yes, even I have just started few days live sessions. So yeah, I am here to guide you guys. What should how should I guide you? Uh, do you have like any account on on any exchange or not yet? Or you want to just freshly start everything? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Um, Actually, let me tell you. Actually, okay. What I do is this is my main income stream actually. So I am making money from my trading and spending my life. So I do have revolt. Okay, okay. So so that's my actually that this is the my like income stream. I'm making money from here, from crypto almost every day. I have just made a discipline and just keep following that discipline. I don't do trade on weekends, but I am online today because I have not made any trade yesterday, so and not made a live session yesterday. So that's why I'm just performing today live trade. Even I have not like all right, somebody's just asking for the more. Okay, so it's enough money to live it. Yes, good enough. In Thailand, like it totally depends upon you, like how much, how is the how much is the life, how kind of life, what kind of life you want to re live. I am living a very good life. I have a car. My wife's house is here, so yeah, it's kind of our house. But I'm planning to buy another apartment, maybe near future. I'm from Pakistan, but living in Thailand. So since last more than 5 years, 4 years more than four, so I can get several telling channel. Yes, there's a link in my bio, so there's a WhatsApp channel. You can just follow me my WhatsApp channel. You can just not write me anything over there, but you can just send me a private message on my TikTok as well. I would love to respond you on that. No, I am not holding XRP. I'm not a fan of XRP. Sorry, don't mind. Mm, Yeah, WhatsApp is not opening. Why it's not? When you open it, there are three dots on the right corners. You can just click on that. So, bro, stop. Okay, okay. Hold your. Why? I have my own. If you want to, no problem. Okay. Welcome, Salam. Oh, okay. So, okay. All right. So, okay, guys. Let me check. Yeah, sure. Just send me a message. I will. Uh, okay. Okay, I just search. I don't know why it's not showing. Uh, okay, just write me in the private message. I will just send you the link again. If you guys, I don't know, the few people are just facing this issue. Well, okay, no problem. You can just write me in the the message here in the private message, so I will respond to your messages. Um, or if you want me to join your WhatsApp, so I will just add your WhatsApp into the that account as well. You can just send me your, or I can send you a link of that. Okay, let me figure that out. I want to learn about futures trading. Um, okay, why don't we let's keep a session on Monday, hopefully at the same time. From now at the same time, I will just make a session on crypto futures. Basics like how what what tab does what what's the meaning of cross, what's the meaning of isolated, what's the leverage, what's the margin. All right. Let's keep a session on Monday. I will just guide you, everybody. So I would love to. Okay, guys. So I think the session is already so much prolonged. I will share you guys the results of this trade in the WhatsApp channel, as well as if you guys want me to share, if still you guys need to ask anything, you guys can write me in the comment section or in the private message as well. So I would definitely love to respond to you after this live session. No problem. You can ask me anything as much as you want to know. I'm here to let you guide you guys as much as I know. Uh, but guys, don't follow my trades. Do your own research while opening the trade, just like this. This was stuck from last one, almost 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes. So, okay, we will make some profit in this trade for sure. And I will share you the results of this trade as well. But yeah, so yeah, sorry, which pair? This one is H bar. This one, H bar. I have just opened the long position, like from 30, more than 30 minutes now. Okay. I have a good hope for this one. Uh, okay. So I think let's finish the session. Session is already prolonged so much. So, so guys would be, uh, okay. It's very important. What you say now? Risk management is, yes. Risk management is the key. Yes. SL. Stop loss. I'm not putting stop losses because I have just opened the position with 1% of my capital and can afford to lose 2% of my capital. So 2% of my capital is my stop loss. So that's what I always do, and it looks good. It's going good so far. So risking 1% of your capital, taking maximum 10x leverage. Maybe you can take 20x, but 15x, 20x, but it's not recommended. Try to take minimum leverage. And yes, um, um, let the Trump wake up. So he might be sleeping. So Trump will decide how the BTC will go on. Maybe he will speak about something Greenland again. He is dreaming about Greenland again and again. So yes. So things are moving according to the Trump for now. So maybe things will, uh, yeah, you're right. So you see, we were expecting the market will go up to 100K mark last week, but he just announced 10% tariff on like eight countries, eight European countries, and the people were just panicking and taking out the money. The market went from 3.5 trillion, somewhere around 3.3 or 5 trillion to 3.1 to somewhere around there. So people just started taking money out. So yeah, yeah, it's white icy. My wife and we are also discussed why they call it Greenland. It's icy. It should be Iceland. The Iceland should be Greenland. So yeah, they should work on that as well. BTC short, okay, Alex. If you have a good understanding of that, actually maybe yeah, it's a good option. So okay, thank you guys for your time. It's a good time we have spent today. It's a great honor for me. If somebody uh, don't like my live session, please don't mind. Forgive me if I have said something wrong. And can you remember actually, I was just trying to took the long position following the 15,500. I was planning to close that trade. I took the trade from here. I was planning to take the momentum. The momentum was about to shift from here and it went up to there. I should have put my stop loss, but that was my mistake. Okay, but it will go back again if we see the 15-minute time frame. Momentum is again shifting. We can set the stop loss, but after the live session, I will set my stop loss and I will share you the results of this trade as well. So thank you guys. We'll come on Monday. We will discuss about crypto futures. The most people don't know about that, so I will just let you know, guys. So what tab does what. So thank you for your time. See you guys on Monday, hopefully. And you guys, if you guys want to ask anything, you guys just write me in the comment section. It's an honor for me. See you guys on Monday, hopefully. Okay, bye bye.